Ay guys, mabilis ang update lang tayo dito sa price action nitong si Bayo guys, no. At sisilipin din natin dito yung price action nitong si Pi, no. As of now, nasa 43. Within 24 hours, bumagsak siya ng 40.94. And pag-uusapan natin yan dito sa video natin today, itong kay Bayo, why I contested, ano yung pinaka-use cases niya. Pero bago tayo dito magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first. Subscribe niyo YouTube channel natin, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys. So ngayon, as per checking nga dito kay Bayo, we have this PNL guys, no? 220 in USDT. Ayan. I shared this idea guys noong mga nakaraang araw, I think 9 days ago sa ating YouTube channel alongside Pi, no? So I think if I'm not mistaken, negative pa ito nung ginawa ko, pero the price of various crypto right now is on its uptrend, no. Recently nagkaroon ng retracement. BTC also made a new all-time high, so congrats doon sa may mga nakahold na BTC at nakapag-take profits, 111 if I'm not mistaken. And ngayon itong si Bayo naka bots lang guys, no. So meaning if ever na magkaroon siya dito ng up and down, nagkakaroon siya ng buy and sell guys, no. So ito ngayon naging result doon sa setup natin 9 days ago, and we have, I think we have Pi pa rin dito na still on its open positions. Ayan, so we have, ayun, so 208 kay Pi, and ito yung price action niya right now, consolidation lang as per checking within this zone. 72 cents yung kanyang support, and na-retest ulit yung 86 cents pero na-reject, and then bumagsak ulit guys, no. So balik tayo guys kay Bayo. Ayan, balikan natin itong si Bayo. Isa ito sa mga DeSci na sector, no, or it's decentralized science na sector sa crypto. And in my own opinion, ito guys, no, again, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, for reference, and doesn't qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you get some insights dito and updates guys, no. So itong si Bayo guys, risky ito, no, kasi bagong sector, so nasa stage ito ng discovery. Pero in my own opinion, malaking bagay ito in terms of like sa sector ng healthcare, no. Kasi for example, merong mga bagong developments or updates in terms of mga disease, no. So itong si Bayo is meron siyang pinaka-features na like if hindi kayang i-fund ng like a government or individual, if maganda yung pinaka-cure or pinaka-gamot na yon, anyone can do fundraise, no, and para ma-fund yung isang project na yon. So ganun siya nag-work, and ito is one of like DeSci sector nga, decentralized science. And alam naman natin, sobrang lawak ng science, no, biology and etc. So I think AI, physics, napaka-importante, and we'll see kung paano ito thrive or magpa-progress itong si Bayo guys, no. As mentioned, risky ito kasi dating 90 cents ito, and nasa 0.9 or nasa 9 cents na lang yung price action. Bumaba pa siya ng 4 cents, but in my own strategy, I look for yung sa mga nasa accumulation stage, and yung sa tingin ko is merong malaki yung factors na pwedeng magkaroon ng pag-angat ng presyo, pinaka-use cases niya. But then again guys, no, as mentioned, this is risky, and it depends pa rin yan sa magiging risk management mo as well as the risk appetite sa end mo guys, no. So if ever kasi na magkaroon siya dito ng pagbagsak pa, pwede pa rin niyang balikan yung all-time low niya sa 4 cents, and if ever mabasag yan, pwede pa rin siyang bumagsak guys, no. So yun, isa sa mga sinilip ko ito, and isa sa mga nakita ko na potential, but again, risk management as mentioned is one of the criteria dito guys, no. So yun, hope you got some updates, insights dito sa ating trades and bots guys, no, na still ongoing. And kailangan niyang tumaas dito para magka-profits tayo. Kasi pag bumagsak, pwede akong ma-loss, ma-stop out, ma-liquidate. Kasi ito is nasa leverage side guys. No? So, yun. Hope you get some insights, updates dito guys sa video natin today. Kung meron kayong mga questions, feel free to comment lang sa comment section ng video na ito. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.